What? Oh. I'm a gas.
It's back close.
It's 7 a.m. I haven't had my coffee.
Good morning. I got a new DJI camera and I thought I'd test it out. And I'm gonna film a self-care, spend like a weekend with me. It's Saturday today. And I'm going to get my nails done and I get to show you guys how I live in Bali. I've got a cold because I woke up halfway through the night with aircon on turbo mode blowing on me. Hello! I have an appointment for 9 a.m. for my nails. Thank you. I'm needing a nail appointment bad because it's dreadful. We just came back from the beach and Coco is having zoomies. Yeah, you are. Did you enjoy beach? Did you enjoy the beach? Yeah. Our plan today is to pack Julian for Scotland and cook our final roast before he sets off. Something that me and Julian really love doing is we love cooking. Tomorrow, we're going for our last little getaway before he leaves. And yeah. Come on then.
This is gonna be your man, Coco. Oh, she's gonna get it.
Chicken! Excited for roast, baby. Look at all that delicious food. I have brought myself a Dyson, which I was very contemplating, but in Bali, my hair is always frizzy. So the Dyson is like amazing for keeping it not frizzy and straight and like fully brushed. It's just great. It's just this bit here that will never do what I say, which is annoying. Are you ready for coffee? Coffee. You ready? You steady? Let's go! We were all ready, we were about to leave, and then we realised we don't know where the moped keys are. So, we've been looking everywhere. But I think Julian's left them in his pocket and then gave the clothes to the laundry guy. So, we might have to get grab bikes.
Don't look at me.
Where's the keys?
It's in the laundry.
It's in the laundry, is it?
Well, they found it.
Do you know what this teaches you? Always check your pockets. Imagine
Yes,
if you
Mom.
leave loads of cash in there.
Yes, Mom. No.
Right, let's go then. Saya mau minum cappuccino panas dan satu cappuccino dingin dan saya mau pesan satu roti pisang. I've used my Dyson. I had straight hair when I left. Hai, saya mau pesan satu. Oh, ada roti pisang?
Iya.
Ya? Ya, please. Saya mau minum satu cappuccino panas dan satu cappuccino dingin.
Satu untuk bahasa
Thank you so much. Terima kasih. I did it! I did it! I did it! Yeah, he goes, your bahasa is very good. I'm like, yeah! Coco is going back home now, and I'm going to get my eyelashes done because they're long overdue. Honey, I'm home.
Hey.
Hey.
Wow.
Best skincare. My camera died, but we have checked in, and this is our room. Let me show you.
I think we're meant to take this up. Kempinski, baby!
Kempinski, baby! I didn't even know it was a good branch for hotels until the coral. So cute. Got a nice little bathtub, and wait for it. What have you been doing whilst I've been getting ready?
I have been writing the loan agreement for our latest investor for £15,000, which is going to fund
Our free man in Bali, baby! Yeah!
Jobby.
Never, ever, never. Never, ever, never. You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own. I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to
literally sat here and I'm just feeling so grateful. Like, I always deal with massive imposter syndrome, like, but I always reflect on my life and I'm like, how am I actually sat here? Like, how am I staying at this hotel? Made it, baby. Much bigger things.
No, this is just one step.
I've literally got floppy legs. Like, I haven't gone properly to the gym in a very long time because I haven't really prioritized myself. I've been working on our business in Bali. I've been working on our UK portfolio purchase. I've been working on so many things behind the background. And it's so nice to just have these moments together. It's going to be the first time since me and Julian are going to be apart since we even started dating. Like, we're always together. We run our businesses together. We do everything together. So I wonder how that's going to be. Literally, I'm just grateful. Just pure gratitude. Like, pure gratitude that this is my life. I keep saying it to Julian, like, we've actually made it. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. If you have, and you want to see more videos of my life and business and behind the scenes of running a business, what is going on with my hair, then of course, if you haven't already, subscribe, because I know a lot of people watch but not a lot of people subscribe. And let me know in the comments, like, what are the videos you want me to talk about, what are the videos you want me to make, because sometimes I just run out of ideas. So yeah. Also, I'm loving the camera, the DJI. Oh my god, like, it's been game changing for vlogging. I need to sort out my hair. Like, let's go. Where are we off to?
The Aquarium Restaurant.
Which is the whole reason why we even stayed in this hotel.
Yeah.
We came to the restaurant and we were so amazed with the hotel, we decided to come back a week later. All glammed up.
Yeah.
Sunbathing was a success. So cool, right? So, funny story, I don't actually like fish. I only eat it in certain restaurants. So let's see, because this is my first time ever trying caviar. Is that what it's called? Caviar?
Yeah.
This feels wrong. It's babies, right?
It's eggs.
That's even wrong. So on the menu now is Japanese shrimps. Only we can eat these parts. That's not happening. He's dancing with the shark. This is our next dish. It's lobster, and then I found out it's mushroom and mushroom sauce, and guess what? I do not like mushroom.
She's so, the line. sauce.
Mushroom.
Fish, caviar, scallop, prawns,
I'm
all
like
things
the-
never eat, and then a really line of mushroom sauce. It's like that.
It stinks, guys. And it stinks so bad. It smells like mushrooms. So this is our next one. I still don't know when the strip loin is coming.
Don't ask me. What's the strip loin coming?
It's sniper fish, right?
Red snapper.
Red snapper. It doesn't taste like fish. Oh my god, look at him. Look at him. Hi. I forgot to film it because it was so good. But we just had a strip loin. Thank you so much. So, we've got a meringue with a cheesecake.
We got jellies.
Oh, they're the weird ones, right?
They're the good ones.
Is that the good ones? Puchi. So they've moved us because we were taking too long. So we had a table reservation at 2. It's 5 right now.
We unlocked it.
And we are the only
All the people in the restaurant. Yeah.
on YouTube, but I'm gonna have to cut that out. This is us before the spa.
This is us.
Us before
This is
the
us
spa.
before the spa. Yeah.
After a few wines.
Yeah.
Just so annoying. So before we go spa, Julian has decided to arm wrestle me. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, what was that?
He's drunk.
Yeah.
This is us after the massage.